I've got 3 simple questions that I want to ask you today. Now, I want you to answer these in your head, write them down, or comment below. But there are 3 very powerful but yet simple questions. Number 1, do you have a marketing strategy? Number 2, are you implementing that strategy on a daily basis? And finally, the third question, is that marketing strategy working for you? I work with a lot of marketers. I'm a marketer myself. We all want more traffic. We want better rankings in the search engines. We want more clients and more sales. But are we doing everything it takes to get to that level, to make these sales, to get more traffic? I think we kid ourselves a lot. And that's why I came up with 4 simple tips and strategies that I want to share with you today to help us be more productive in our marketing. Okay? Now, these aren't anything groundbreaking, anything really special, but I think if we follow them, in fact, I know if we follow them, we will be successful in our marketing. Number 1, research. Nothing new, but so many people miss out on correct market research. A lot of people don't even spend a lot of time researching their market. So what I want you to do, whether you're successful in business and you're getting a lot of sales, you still need to research your market because there might be a niche that you're missing. Okay? And if you're just starting out, this is essential. So you have to research your market on a daily basis. You can do that using social media like Twitter. Go to search.twitter.com. Here's the link right here. Search.twitter.com. Another great tool to see if people are out there and what they're searching for in your market and in your niche is Google AdWords keyword tool. Simply go to google.com and search Google AdWords keyword tool. Here's the keyword, or just Google keyword tool. Okay? And do some market research, see what people are searching for, and then create content around those keywords and what people want. So many people miss out on this step. You've got to do research on a daily basis. And if you're successful, it's even more important because you're probably missing out on a lot of micro niches and niches where you could be making more money. Second tip, you've got to create a marketing strategy. Once you've done your research and you know what people are searching for, you know what people want, now you've got to create a strategy of what content you're going to create, whether it's videos, articles, press releases, whatever it is, you've got to create a strategy of what you want to do. Okay, there's article marketing, there's video marketing, there's search engine marketing, there's advertising, there's social media marketing. The list goes on and on. You've got to create a strategy. And then number 3, the third tip, is you've got to stay committed to that strategy. You've got to commit yourself to doing the things that you said you were going to do. And number 4, you've got to be consistent. You've got to consistently stick to your strategy. You've got to consistently research your market. And you've got to consistently create content, valuable content that people want. These 4 steps, again, simple, but very powerful. So let's recap. Number 1, you've got to research. Research daily. Number 2, you've got to create a marketing strategy. Number 3, you've got to stay committed to that strategy and to researching your market. And number 4, which is the most important in my eyes, is consistency. You've got to consistently be doing what you said you'd be doing. Again, whether that's writing articles, creating videos, whatever it is, you've got to stay consistent, stay committed, and do your part, and the traffic will come, the clients will come, and the sales will come.